Hey friends, if you wish to download and install MSI motherboard drivers for Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So simply search for MSI motherboard drivers and then click on download MSI Global. Search for motherboard drivers and hit enter. Then go to the appropriate motherboard drivers after selecting the requirements. Depending upon which one you have. See, these ones are for Intel Pentium, but you have to check it for Intel Core versions 14, 13, 12. Most probably you would fit into this category, but again, it depends. So you have to sort the category very, very clearly. These are for the later categories. And I mean, if you have an 11th generation computer or something, you can check the older options. Okay. And also match the exact motherboard type here. You can find the details on your system. Click on download. Okay. And then scroll down and select the latest version. Select download. And then don't click on open, click on save because it's a zipped file. Okay, and then type mother board and then select the location. Okay, now we will go to the downloads folder since I have saved it there. Right click on it and then extract all and then extract all and then go to this option, and now you can double click on this file to install it on your system. Okay, was this helpful? Now see, the reason I cannot install it is because I don't have an MSI motherboard, but you have to double click on this file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.